हम सिद्रा इकबाल के साथ बहुत सीरियस डिस्कशंस कर रहे थे एंड वी थॉट व्हाई नॉट मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर फन. सो अब हम खेलेंगे एक गेम सिद्रा इकबाल के साथ. उनके हाथ में एक बोर्ड है जिसपे एक साइड पे लिखा हुआ है आई हैव नेवर और एक साइड पे लिखा हुआ है आई हैव, राइट? So I'm going to ask her some quick questions and then we're going to see. Yeah, and then we have to be really honest. I had someone actually ask me कि मैं बीच में रख लूँगा तो is that okay? I was like नहीं. It has to be a definite answer.
Diplomatic होने के लिए ना कि मैं बता नहीं रही हूँ क्या हुआ था. जी.
चलिए let's start. अच्छा, never have I ever accidentally called a guest by the wrong name on the show.
I have.
Of course. Guilty as well.
and I think it उस वक्त ज़्यादा jerky लगता है because in my mind I wasn't even I wasn't doing it very cognizantly. तो उन्होंने जब correct किया तो मैंने कहा तो मैंने क्या बोला? It was really funny. तो मैंने कहा मैं सोच तो वही रही थी. तो आपका नाम है.
Oh God. But चलो सही है. It's good to own that. Interviewed a celebrity and felt nervous.
I have.
Huh? Oh my God, which one?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Huh?
Shah Rukh Khan.
No way you interviewed him!
Yeah, when I went for my IFA and I was actually, I was designing the social media content around it and conducting it.
Okay.
I think I've never had jitters like when I was interviewing Shah Rukh Khan because green carpet
of Shah Rukh Khan.
And for the first time मुझे लग रहा था मुझे सवाल बवाल चीजें सब भूल गई हैं.
Oh my God! And किधर था?
This was in Macau.
In Macau, yeah. Oh my God! And did you have a crush on him while growing up as well?
I think I still have. I think we all have a crush on him.
He's such a gentleman. He speaks so kindly as well. Anyway, moving on. Acha, have you ever cried after a particularly emotional interview?
I have. And I think for that, in fact, not just cried. मुझे लगा कि बहुत अरसे तक I was in that zone.
Really?
This was after the APS terrorist attack. And the footage that came to us immediately in the editing suites and rooms was very raw. I don't think, because immediately आप सोचो रजा कि आपके घर में भी अगर बच्चे हों, like I have nieces and nephews, बच्चा अगर किसी आपकी टेबल के पास से गुजर रहा है और टेबल का कोना भी है ना, so you tend to cover it because you don't want the child to be hurt. लेकिन I think that was the beginning और उसके बाद से तो this world I don't recognize. Like your feed would be filled with what's happening to the Palestinian kids and now you sort of have learned to carry on with your day. लेकिन उस वक्त मुझे लगा कि it was quite a shocker for me.
I know. I can totally understand where you're coming from actually. Acha, never have I ever forgotten to turn off my microphone after a show. You forgot it?
Unfiltered.
And did you get into trouble for it?
No, I didn't. But it was a lot of unfiltered thing, and suddenly I noticed कि जो guests हैं सामने जो भी बैठा हुआ है वो respond करते हुए अपने mic पे हाथ रख रहे हैं. I'm like, I didn't even think about
it.
But yes, you've got to be careful when
you have
your
to
mic
be careful. Of course, absolutely. Actually, I often forget to.
लेकिन आपको वैसे भी politically correct होना चाहिए.
Of course.
And never get personal about it.
Of course. Yeah, you have to keep it very professional. Absolutely. Acha, never have I ever refused to take a selfie with a fan.
I have.
You have?
I have. In fact, I had a no selfie policy for a very long time.
Oh, okay.
Especially when it came as boys. और मुझे पता भी नहीं था, लेकिन बाद में people made me very aware कि sometimes they end up in weird groups and stuff, and then people have like a
different body
and trolls and around it. तो मुझे लगा कि अगर कोई मुझसे ग्रुप में है ना, if you're giving me respect and if there are people around you और आप ग्रुप में तस्वीर लेना चाहते हैं, that's fine. Selfies मैं मना करती हूँ और उसकी एक और वजह ये भी है because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this is my prerogative as a woman.
Of course.
अगर हम टीवी पे ना होते और आप रैंडम लोग हैं तो nobody would dare come to you and suddenly आपकी पर्सनल स्पेस में एंटर होके कहेगा जी आपके साथ तस्वीर लेने झिझक होती है.
Of course.
तो जो चीज़ लिहाज के साथ हो
वो ज़्यादा सही रहता है. I think and that's very good being a woman in the media industry to set that boundary is very important for the kind of respect you receive as well. Amazing. Good job. Have you ever made a mistake on live broadcast that you had to cover up? Of course. I mean, maybe.
But mine was really funny because just like you, my first language or the language I think in is English. मुझे याद है, I will not name the Prime Minister.
Okay.
लेकिन मैं linking कर रही थी शुरू में and I was on the state television और मुझे 1 मिनट के लिए ना वो एक blank out आता है जैसे मुझे मुलाहिजा का लफ्ज़ याद नहीं आ रहा था. And I had to stitch in and say that okay, ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Minister is now speaking in Thailand or whatever and we're going to cut to his speech. तो फिर मैंने end में ना बड़े casually कहते थे so please enjoy the Prime Minister's speech. speech and I got reprimanded for that. मुझे 2 मिनट के बाद इस्लामाबाद हेड ऑफिस से कॉल आती है. मैं like क्या मतलब है enjoy the prime minister's speech.
Oh God.
I'm like listen, I'm really sorry but मैं blank out हो गई थी.
Of course.
मुझसे वो link दोबारा करो.
लो वापस करा. Oh wow, yeah, because it's serious stuff, right? So you have to be really focused. Use my public speaking skills to win an argument.
I have.
Of course. And I didn't think you would have to try very hard for that either.
नहीं मुझे I get that as a reality check. घर में सारे बोलते हैं ना कि oh you're not a presenter here. अच्छा stop being a debater. Point of information.
Amazing. Acha, have you ever been recognized? Had a completely unprepared interview go surprisingly well?
Every morning.
Every morning?
I think I do like a 20-minute prep.
Yeah.
But I feel the best interviews are when you let it take its own form.
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, that's actually very true because आप अपने joy से कर रहे होते हो. Have I ever felt like quitting my job after a tough day?
Not after a tough day, but sometimes, especially कुछ ऐसे आपके assignments होते हैं या days होते हैं when it doesn't feel very fulfilling. Like we were just talking offline as well. कि not every day is going to be like
not every day is going to be your
like
best.
even if you're a doctor, some days are going to be bad, some days are going to be good.
Yeah.
So taking it in the stride is what really matters.
Have you ever had a disagreement with a guest on air? You're bored?
Sorry, yeah. I have.
You have?
अच्छा मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा ये लगता है कि you know people assume that you'll be I'd be very liberal in my thoughts. But I think my assumed role when I'm interviewing people or when I'm hosting or moderating a conversation is to be a moderator. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप either extremes पे हैं, my role is to allow each one to have their. So I thought that this lady was really out of line when she was not letting another person who very evidently had very conservative thoughts not hold their space. मुझे लगा कि I needed to intervene and you know
kind of to break it,
make sure exactly.
Of course, but you know mediating is fine. It's basically not really having a disagreement. It's setting the rules straight. So amazing. Okay, so have you ever attended an event just for the food?
I have, and that's true for all the shadis that I've ever been invited. कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता दूल्हा दुल्हन के कपड़ों में. और कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है कि शादियाँ एक बहुत ही प्राइवेट इंटीमेट अफेयर होना चाहिए. हम जो 600-800 लोगों को बुलाते हैं ना
और कितना
खाना खाने के लिए आते हैं.
Of course.
उनमें मैं भी शामिल हूँ. मैं शादी का खाना खाने के लिए शादी.
Yes, for sure. I'll remember. There is a wedding coming up in my family soon. We'll send you invite just for the food.
Just for the food.
Or I'll send you the food.
And if there's no food, please don't invite me.
I'll send you the food. Don't worry. Okay, done a live broadcast in a very unusual location.
That's interesting. Yeah, live broadcast तो नहीं थी, लेकिन एक recorded मैंने event किया था. One of again, there was a terrorist activity like an explosion, and then we had it to go down to the families. और वो एक ऐसा एरिया था जो कि काफ़ी underserved और deserving लोगों का एरिया था. वहाँ पे जो reality थी, जो life थी, वो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं देखी थी, इतनी up close and personal.
I can imagine, and it gives you so much perspective. Your job gives you so much perspective every day. Have you ever received a compliment that just made your day? I mean, I'm sure it's hard to pick because you get so many, I'm sure.
I have, and it's always very nice. I like the fact that you know पाकिस्तान में मुझे लगता है कि एक जो हमारी खराबी है ना, हम दिल खोल के तारीफ नहीं करते.
of course.
तो मुझे शुरू में वो टाइम भी याद है कि जब अगर आपको कोई पहचान भी लेता था ना, तो देखो मत दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. So I think कि तारीफ करना, compliment करना, and especially for people who do hard jobs like being on TV, I think it's very fulfilling.
It's absolutely. You know you're doing something right? Have you ever binge watched a series like एक गो में पूरी series देख ली?
मैं सारी ऐसी देखती हूँ. वैसे मुझे कोई कहे कि जी 8 घंटे की कुछ फिल्म देखनी है, नहीं देख सकता, लेकिन आई थिंक वो जो क्लिफ हैंगर्स होते हैं वो होते ही इसलिए हैं. एंड आई गेट लाइक अ वीकेंड एंड आई हैव अ मेजर फोमो इशू. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं मिस कर दिया है, पूरा एक साथ ही देखना है.
Oh nice. I never took you as someone who would actually have time to sit and watch seasons and shows.
So my favorite was Tudors and How to Get Away with Murder.
Very unusual. Yeah.
I love courtroom drama. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
How interesting. Nice. We'll discuss this later in commercial break again.
Done.
Okay. Have you ever taken a break from social media just to recharge?
I have, and both times it has been when I had gone for my Umrah and my Hajj.
Okay.
Hajj पे जाके शुरू में थोड़ी excitement थी कि I did post a little, but then you know it's an experience because this was my first ever Hajj Raja. So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि थोड़े दिनों के बाद ना बाकी सारी चीज़ें आपको लगता है कि बेमानी है, बहुत insignificant लगता है.
Absolutely, you know. Have you ever had to lie or fabricate something on a talk show?
Not really. मुझे बस ये लगता है कि white lies आपको करने पड़ते हैं just to, because if you're running late and the guests are getting agitated or you have technical glitches beyond your control.
Of course.
तो मुझे लगता है कि for them to understand कि भाई 1 घंटे का शो है 5 घंटे क्यों लग रहे हैं.
Of course.
For people who are not in TV, it's little difficult to make them understand. तो वहाँ थोड़ी सी diplomatically handle करना पड़ता है.
Have you? This is the last one. Have you stayed up all night preparing for an important show?
I have. In fact, it takes me back to my debating days because I started my career as a public speaker. तो शुरू में ये confidence बिल्कुल नहीं होता आप में कि आप extemporaneously कुछ कर पाएंगे. So you write and you rehearse and then you rehearse to make it not look rehearsed.
Not look.
It's really cute.
It's an ordeal.
Yes.
It really is. Okay, Sidra, it's been an absolute pleasure to have you on the show. I would really love for you to leave a specific Defence Day message for the youth, for the women, for everyone who's watching the show right now. You know, with the amount of experience and the knowledge you have, I think आप ज़रूर कोई ऐसी बात कर सकती हैं जो हमारी ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट करे.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है रचा कि डिफेंस डे या हमारे जितने भी नेशनल हॉलीडेज़ हैं, समटाइम्स वी गेट इनटू द रिदम ऑफ इट और हमें सिर्फ वो एक ऑफ डे लगती हैं. हाँ जी 14 अगस्त होगी, 23 मार्च होगी, 6 सितंबर होगी, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल अस्यूम दैट दे डोंट हैव रेलेवेंस टुडे. Just as we were discussing the more serious aspect of the day, कि आज पाकिस्तान एक बहुत ही मुश्किल वक्त से गुजर रहा है जिसमें हमारी सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल तमाम रियलिटीज़ हमारे लिए बहुत एक डेंजरस माहौल क्रिएट कर रही हैं. सो राइट नाउ इज़ अ टाइम टू बी वन, राइट नाउ इज़ अ टाइम टू बिकम इंटीग्रेटेड एंड नॉट लेट एनीवन एक्सप्लॉइट आवर फॉल्ट लाइंस. एंड पाकिस्तान है तो हम हैं, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.
Absolutely. And on that thought, thank you so much, Sidra, for coming. Literally, you have blessed our set with your lovely, radiant energy. It has been such a pleasure to host you, and you know the way you spoke and the way you shared your thoughts. I'm truly, truly grateful.